Hey, what is up guys, and welcome back. So now in this video I'm going to show you that how can you integrate this mailchimp with your WordPress website. So you can see that we created our blog that was this like this. Okay, we just created this, we just worked with this, we just designed this whole blog. Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you that how can you basically just make it work. Okay, it says newsletter, it says your email, and it says newsletter. So if anyone is going to enter the email, then that email is going to be just coming up into ourselves. And when we want to send our all the subscribers, those who just enter their email address here, it should be sent within just one click. So I'm going to show you how can you do that. So first of all, what you have to do is that make sure that you are in the dashboard of the MailChimp, okay? And then you have to just hit list. So in the list, there will be all the lists that you have. So you will not be having any of the list here, and it says create list. So we need to create a list. Do you want to create a new list, or do you want to just subdivide an existing list with groups? No, I just want to create a list. Okay, so let's just come here and let's just create a list. So my list is going to be list name. So it is just going to show the list name that I have. So my list name will be my blog subscriber. Okay, and then I have the default from email address. So this is the address where people will reply to. So this address should be basically from the domain name of your email address. What I mean, let me show you, is that if you just come here, then you can see that in the email section, I have just created info@completewpcourse.com. So how can I create this email, for God's sake? How can I create it? In this video, I'm going to show you guys. Okay, so basically what you have to do, you have to just go ahead and you have to log into your cPanel. Okay, and then what you have to do, you have to basically in the portal, we are just logging ourselves in, and then we will transfer ourselves to the cPanel. So I'm just going to click here and I'll be taken to the cPanel right here. I'm not going to create every email separately. Like for S2, it should be S2 info, and for complete WP course, it should be just complete WP course. I'm just creating I'm just giving you an example. Okay, so we are here in the cPanel. Okay, I am here. Yes. Okay, this is our main domain name, iTanzil.com. You guys already know about it. Okay, and now what you have to do, you have to go down, and you should be seeing this email, and that says email accounts. Okay, so here we can manage every email account that we have. Okay, so first email account that I want to create would be like my own. So this will be like tanzil@itanzil.com. Okay, I'm just gonna enter it. I'm just gonna enter like tanzil@itanzil.com. Okay, so here I can just enter the password, like the password that I want to add. So okay, this is right here. I'm just gonna come here and I'm gonna select it like mailbox quota. So this means like how much mail MBs you want, how much capacity you want to give assigned to this user. So I think unlimited looks cool. So basically Google gives you like 30 GB of storage if you buy it for like $5 per month. But it is recommended. Obviously, guys, your emails will be stored on Google, and your server will be from Google, and everything will be from Google. So it is recommended. But if you do not want to invest in email marketing right now, then just go ahead and let's hit create account. So you can see the create account has been created. You can see this is my email right now, tanzil@itanzil.com. And everything is right here. So I'm just creating an email marketing for like the itanzil.com. Okay, if I just come here, you can see how my website will be. This is how my website is. I want to create the email for just like info@itanzil or tanzil@itanzil.com. So basically I can also create info or I can just create tanzil@itanzil.com. So you can see everything looks pretty cool. I'm just gonna come here and now I want to log in here. How will I log in? I have to just come here and instead of www. I have to just enter webmail.itanzil.com. Okay, so it's gonna take you there, and now you have to enter the email address. So the email address is going to be like tanzil@itanzil.com. Okay, and then you have to enter the password. So I'm gonna enter the password that I entered, and then I have to hit login. So you can see that I'll be logged into there, and then the email I can receive any of the emails here. I can even send people emails like this. So I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna click cross. I'm gonna hit got it, and I'm gonna go to like this one. So Horde. I always use Horde or the round cube. I just hate Squirrel Mail. So these are basically like the softwares that you can use to send or receive the email address. So I'm just gonna come here. I'm gonna select the Horde. Horde, Hordo, or whatever. Okay, so this is a proper noun, and you can pronounce it anyway. So you can see this is like this. This is how my inbox is, my drafts, and my sent items. If I just come here and I just go to the preferences, the global preferences, and everything, so I can just work with it. Okay, I can also work with the other settings, notes, task, and also my profile settings. So you can see everything is right here. This right here, I can just switch to round cube, squirrel mail. Okay, I can also configure mail client, email filters, autoresponders, forwarders, and contact information. So make sure that you go to the contact information, and here you can just manage all your contact information and everything. So here you can enter a second email address to receive account notifications. So if you need any, if you need account notifications, like someone just logged into your account with different email address, then with different IP, sorry, then you are gonna get that thing. So this is how it's gonna work. Okay, you can also go to like the preferences, and then here in the global preferences, you can work with like some of the settings. Okay, like your personal information, local time, and this. So if I just go to the personal information, I can just add my identity name. So my identity name would be Tanzil. Sorry, it should be like, select the identity you want to change, your default identity. Create new identity. Let's just set it to be like this one. Identity's name would be itanzil.com. Okay, and my full name will be Tanzil Rahman. So this is like that. I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna hit save right now. So I'm just clicking save. It should be saved. You can see this is saved. My identity is this. Select the identity you want to change. So this is itanzi. This is itanzi. I just have to enter itanzil.com. Okay. So now here I have to just hit enter. Or you can just remove the .com if you want to remove it, and my full name would be that. So I have to just remove this .com, and let's just go ahead and let's save changes. So my default identity is itanzil. Okay, and now let's go ahead and let's send anyone the mail. So I'm just gonna go to this, and I'm gonna click new message. So I'm just gonna send myself an email. So let's just check it. I'm gonna send itanzil Rahman @gmail.com. Okay, and then I have to enter the subject. So the subject that I want to add would be like, hello Tanzil. Okay, and now here I want to add the hello world. So hello world. Cool. I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna hit send right now. So you can see that the message will be sent. So now here I want to go to the Gmail. And let's just have a look at our the mail, that if we have received the email or the mail is not received. Oh, okay, you can see this is right here. It says Tanzil Rahman. It says hello world. So this is from Tanzil@itanzil.com and to me. So this is how it's looking. You can see how great it is looking. Okay, this is hello world. So I can even reply to this person. I could say OMG, it works. Okay, I'm gonna hit save. I'm just gonna enter this in, so you can see this is right here. This is right here. I'm just gonna come here and I'm gonna go to the Horde, and in here I want that thing that says the filters. Okay, where is the inbox? So it is so confusing sometimes, I know, guys. I'm just gonna come here. I'm just gonna go to the round cube. Let's just switch to round cube, because round cube is a bit easy. So here you can see that I have this right here, and it says hello Tanzil. I'm just gonna click here, and you can see the email is like this. So OMG, it works. This is the reply to that. So this is how it works, and it is totally working, guys. So now you can see this is how the email works. So in this right here, I basically want to send the default from email address. So default from email address is going to be like, you have to enter your domain name email address. That will be your main domain name, so that if anyone wants to reply, that reply would be sent to that. So I'm just going to add Tanzil at itanzil.com. Okay, so here, my blog subscriber, that will be itanzil.com. So you can just enter your list name. This will not be visible. This will not, your subscriber will not see this. So make it something appropriate. Good example like this, bad example like this. So your subscriber will see this. Okay, your subscriber will see this. So I have to just enter like itanzil mailing list. Okay, so here we go. Now I have the default from name. So default from name would be like itanzil. Okay, and then we have the MailChimp URL settings. So it's just going to generate randomly, so do not worry about it. Okay, and then we have reuse a reminder from another list. Write a short reminder about how the so I'm just going to enter like you are seeing this email because you are subscribed to our list. So you have to just remind your user that why they're receiving this email. So okay, this is how it is looking. You are receiving this email because you opted in our website. So this is an example. Okay, and then we have the company organization. So my company organization would be itanzil. Okay, and then I have the address, the city, the board, and the postal code and everything. And now we have to enter my phone number. So this is right here. And then I have send contacts and opt-in confirmation email when they subscribe to your list. So if you want only like people who should be the person, like if they want to just add into your site or add into your subscriber list, then you want to confirm, so that you have just a limit of 2,000 subscribers, guys. So you should just be like, you should check it if you just care about that. So you can do that. So now here it would be like the notifications sent to this. So you can see like daily summary. So like if anyone subscribed to your list, then it's gonna show the daily summary. And if like if 2 people subscribe to your list, okay, on the same day, then at the end of the day it will just show you the daily summary. And if subscribe notifications as they happen, if anyone subscribed to your list, then it will just send you automatic email, okay, once. Like if 3 people subscribe to your day on single day, then it will show you 3 emails per day. So you can just select it. If you have so much time, then you can select this one. And unsubscribe notifications as they happen. So you can also select this, like this guy just unsubscribed from a list or something like that. So you just have to hit save right now, and you can see that this has been saved. Okay, we have you have no contact. Okay, this means that you have no people who have signed up to your list. So you can see I can just manage. I can unsubscribe addresses. I can just set anyone into groups. I can just set anyone into segments, import history, contact, export, and delete all contacts. Okay, so in the add contacts, you can add a subscriber, or you can just import it from like a CSV with a lot of emails. So, and then we also have the sign up forms. So in the sign up forms, it will be like how a person can basically sign up to your specific itanzil mailing list. Okay, so please verify tanzil@itanzil.com as your default from email address before signing up a form. So you can see that we have to verify this domain name. So I'm just gonna click here, and it will be like, it will ask us that how we want this to just accept it. So it's saying that send verification email. So it's just gonna send the verification email there. I'm just gonna open up my inbox, and we should have received an email address and a verification email at this. So I haven't received it yet. I don't know why. Yes, it is right here. Verify your domain before sending, and it is by MailChimp. So I'm just gonna open this up. And now here, I'm just gonna copy this MailChimp code. So I'm just gonna copy it, and I'm gonna go to this right here, and I'm gonna paste it. So on pasting, I just hit verify, and it should be verified. You can see domain is verified. So now this is here. I can just manage everything. Make sure that you first of all come here and you just change it. So you can see, want to change your sign up form title, the sign up forms and confirmation email for your site. list use the original list title. You can update this text or replace it with an image in the sign up form editor. So then we have it's like this default email subject. So you can also use the default email subject, default from name, and we have subscribers and everything. So you can see, and we have also like a form, protect your form. You can also add the like a captcha. You guys already know that if I just enable it, then it will ask the user to just like fill in a form or like what are in the images. So you can just get a big example, like if we just go to adsnx.com, okay, and then we just go down to register now. Okay, then in the register now you can see this is the captcha that is coming, and I have to enter this. So this, it will ask the user to do this so that no computers or no robots can basically sign up to my list so that it just gets heavy and it's not good. So make sure that you just accept it. Okay, and then we have send a final welcome email. Welcome people to opt into your list. Send them an email welcoming them to your list. The final welcome email can be listed in the list form designer. Let users pick plain text or HTML emails. Send unsubscribe confirmation to the subscribers. So we have everything right here. I'm just gonna come here, and now here what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna hit a save list campaign defaults. Okay, so I have to just come here and I have to just hit save list campaign defaults. So you can see this is right here. Okay, ta-da, list was successfully saved. Okay, this is right here. What I'm gonna do right now, I am just gonna go ahead and I want to go to the sign up form. So in the sign up forms, I basically want to get the form that I want to add in here. So that if anyone wants to enter his email, then he should be successfully added to our mailing list. So how are we gonna do that? Okay, we first of all just have to just go to the dashboard right now, /wp-admin. Okay, you have to make sure that you go ahead into the dashboard, and then we have to just add that sign up form. I think the video is also increasing, so I'll just continue this in the next video, guys. I'm sorry. So in the next video, I'll just show you how can you just integrate it with that. So stay tuned, guys, and bye bye.